Hi guys, it's now, what time is it? 20 to 10 at night, down in Chelsea on the south coast, and it's getting pretty windy. The weather's getting pretty hairy, shall we say. The motorhome's really been shaking around. The dogs are a little bit nervous, so's the other half. She's very nervous. I say the dogs are a bit nervous. One of them is. The other one, I couldn't care less. Fast asleep. Well, he's not now because he realised he was on video. Loves his 5 minutes of fame. Hopefully everything will be okay. There are quite a few people here on. Oops. Forgot I was recording there. There are quite a few people here on the actual site. So yeah, it's looking very squally, very rainy. Not brilliant out there. Let's see if you can see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see out there, guys. It's not great at all. It's really throwing it down. Wind's really starting to get up. And worse is yet to come. This is just the start of Storm Kieran, apparently. So hopefully it'll be okay. You got to see this. Somebody's really snuggled in. That's our Daphne. She really doesn't like to be cold. She doesn't like to be scared. She loves her mum and she loves her dad. Anyway, I'll keep you updated through the night. Can't see who's getting much sleep. We're both really tired, so maybe we will get a sleep, but I don't think it will be much. And we'll see what happens. I'll speak to you later on. Ta-da! Right guys, just a quick update. I know the lighting's not brilliant. It's blowing a hoolie out here. I think the winds are currently about 70 mile an hour, 60 to 70 mile an hour. The entire van's shaking. The wife's hiding. The dogs are crying. Not a good experience. Not a good experience at all. I'm sure all will be fine. I say she's hiding and scared. Sounds like she's laughing actually. She's probably laughing at her idiot husband doing a video at, I have no idea what time it is, during what's the worst storm since the 1980s. It's very blowy, very blowy. Guys, stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye. Hi guys, so we're at Warner Farm Touring Park, which is part of Cove Holidays. It's down in Chelsea. So far, I mean, we got here last night just before Storm Kieran hit. Had a bit of a windy night. I've got a few little videos which are going to be part of this video. Just have a quick walk around the campsite, just outside the toilet block at the moment. Won't go in there just yet because well, it's kind of peak time for people to be using it, so I'll probably nip across later on and have a quick look around and see what it's like in there when I go for a shower later. But for now, I think we're going to have a walk through, go down to the seaside, see what devastation has been left by Storm Kieran, and we'll have a quick walk. But let's have a walk through, and I'll flip it around to the other camera in a moment or two so you can actually see where we're going, and hopefully there won't be too much devastation. Haven't seen much yet, even though the winds were 50 odd miles an hour last night. So here we are, we're walking just through the touring bay. devastation, though it is still very windy. Everyone's awnings seem to be pretty much intact that I can see. There's a lot of water there, like, yeah. I'm guessing this is a tent field or just grass pitches. You certainly wouldn't want to be camping on there today. Not nice at all. You'd end up with wet feet in your tent. The sky's looking a bit ominous and grey, but I suppose Storm Kieran is still here. It's supposed to be here until about 5 o'clock tonight. I'm just going to stop the video because we're going to go past the touring reception, which is a building you can see in the distance there. And I'll pick it up when we start walking through the actual Seal Bay holiday camp proper. As I say, it's just the touring part of it, which for once actually, the touring part of it does seem to be quite central to all of the attractions. There are some over on the left hand side as you come out of the walk out of the park, and some on the right hand side. There's still a fair walk away, but just go and have a look at this, which I've just spotted here, the motorhome waste point. So here we are in the motorhome waste point. So I'm assuming that that is the what I'm standing on here is grey water. So yeah, grey water. Not a lot of places have those, so you can reverse into the gap here. Just pull down, dump your fresh and grey water out there. And whilst that's happening, there's actually a chemical waste disposal point and a drinking water. Let's have a quick look in here. Yeah, so lift the grey lid. Not for drinking, definitely not. That looks quite clean, looks quite reasonable. Even some hand gel there to wipe your hands with. Is there any there? Nope, none in it. No hand gel in there at all. We'll shut that door because it's very windy. Catch you in a bit. So guys, behind us is a fish and chip shop called Box Fish. Prices are quite reasonable. I don't know if you can make that out. But the prices are okay for one of these type of places. They're quite clean, quite reasonable. Has a local council 5 out of 5 rating. So that's good, that's great. Still raining. Carry on a little bit further back towards the bus stop. And yeah, it is really raining now. And we get to what they call Box Asia, which sells all sorts of Asian food. I don't think it'll be open today, and I'll show you why in a moment. But there's a menu behind, and you can see we do all sorts of stuff there. Chinese, Japanese, Thai, Vietnamese. It'd be absolutely wonderful. But if we look at the opening times, I think we're very much on that bottom one. Windy, squally, rain. We will not open because you guys will not be here either. I am, so please open. Fancy some Chinese. I'm going to go and sit in the bus shelter now. Hopefully it's not too rainy in there. It does look like it's blowing straight in. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so no selfie stick at the moment. It's a bit too windy and blowy. But behind us is an old windmill. I'm not entirely too sure what it's all about. There is a blue plaque on it. We will go and have a look at what that says in a moment or two. And we'll just see what it says. See you in a sec. Hi everyone. So I'm just about to cook my tea, and we'll see what we're going to have. You have spotted that by the way, I'm getting old. So it's going to take me ages to prepare this. I'm going to go for for this from Aldi's cottage pie. So let's read the instructions, shall we? For best results, gas mark 5, 30 minutes from chilled. So I take it that means I've got to use the oven. The oven's down here. The oven's currently full of stuff, so bear with me while I empty the oven. Oven emptied.
Use a tray.
One tray. Now the instructions for this are really complicated. They are: remove the sleeve and film. Well, I'm filming, so I guess that's all done. But I think it means take that off, doesn't it? Oh, buy a lottery ticket. First time ever, it's all come off in one piece. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Fantastic, lovely. Right, gas mark 5. I'm gonna have to put some more lights on, I think. Okie dokie, so the oven's down here. Better take that stuff out of there, that might get hot and catch fire. Don't want that to happen now, do we? That empty, yep. So gas mark 5 is there. Oh, you know what I'm going to have to do first, don't you? Do you know what I haven't done? You're going to have to come for a walk with me. Just give me 2 seconds. I need some shoes. And I need some keys. We're going outside. Dark out there. Horrible, nasty. Still very windy. Supposed to calm down by now. Don't know what it has on. Right. So what we need to do is we need to put the gas on. Because I didn't put it on yet. Because after all, why put it on when you're not using it? Hidey hole down here. Bear with me a sec. Bit dark, probably can't see that. Sorry about the lighting. That's now on. Remember to relock it. And in we go. Back inside we go. Now we should be cooking on gas, as we say. Gas Mark 5. Now this isn't going to light straight away because it's got to fill the pipes and all that lot. So we'll hold it in. Oh, I was very wrong. Can you see that? See that's lit. Make sure it's on number 5. And put you back there a sec. Do you want enough putting in? No. So it's dinner for one tonight by the looks of it. Somebody doesn't want to put it in yet. I'll just put this lot a bit tidier out of the way. This stuff, by the way, absolutely fantastic in a motorhome. It's anti-slip stuff, but if you wrap all your stuff in it, it stops all that horrible rattling as you're driving along. Absolutely fantastic it is. Put the bag back out of the way. So we'll just wait for that oven to preheat a little bit. Bear with me. Not going far. Just through the cupboard. 30 minutes it goes in for. Even I can manage this meal, honestly, and trust me, you should see some of the things I do. And I do cheat, by the way. I've got a dishwasher and I'll be getting that out in a bit, so I'll show you that. It's brilliant, that is absolutely fantastic. I will film that as soon as I get it out because that is the best buy I've ever made. But the next stage of cooking the meal is you put it on a tray like so, on a tray, and you put it in the hot oil there. There we go. And wait 30 minutes. It is now 20 past 6. So what's that, 10 past 7? It'll be tea time. I'll give you a shout back, and I'm not looking forward to too much of it because I think it's going to be horrible, but it's an Aldi's cottage pie. We'll see what it's like. See you in a bit. Bye. Right, dudes. So, I am the world's best microwave cook. The only problem is, this ain't no microwave. That's the microwave. That ain't. This one's got fire. Me and fire don't mix very well when it comes to cooking. So let's see how black this is, because it's bound to be. Cooking on propane, which is not my normal gas. Obviously normally natural gas at home. And don't know this oven. It keeps on fire. Oh, it's got a fan in it somewhere, whirring away. Oh! Oh! Oh, wait till you see this. Oh, bugger! It's off. Ow! Right, let me just put that down. Close that lid. Close that off. It actually looks edible. Let's see if we can get it in shot. Where is it there? That looks quite edible to me. And it looks done, nice and browned on top. I might have a new calling. Could probably work at a Weatherspoons cooking ready meals like that. The oven's off again. Some weird fan going on. I didn't know it had a fan. Ow! Ooh, that's hot. Now then, my wife, her ladyship, otherwise known as Anne-Marie, would probably say I need a bib for this, and I know what sort of bib she means. Ah, hang on. One of them big yellow ones that you used to put around your kids. What do you call them? Pelican bibs, is that right? Yeah, pelican bibs. Looks a bit runny. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit runny. So More like a cottage soup rather than a cottage pie when you actually dig into it. But, yeah, I'm sure it'll be alright. I'm sure it won't taste like dog meat at all. Come on, Aldi, you can do yourself proud. Yeah.
Chip shop.
There is a chip shop on site. It's about a mile walk. The wind is about 600,000 miles an hour. It's not raining, and the chips aren't that expensive. Dog food, the chip shop. No, I'm not saying see you on the flip side. I'm going to say catch you later, dudes.